Let me show you how to make cover art in Photoshop. Click here and choose Subject. Press Ctrl plus J. Hold Ctrl plus click here. Go to main page and paste here. Remove this remaining part. Click here and choose Eraser tool. Follow the process. Press Ctrl plus T for transform and adjust like this. Go to background layer. Click here and choose solid color. Press OK. Add new layer to click here. Click here and choose brush tool. Click here 3 to 4 times and follow the process. Add new layer. Choose brush tool. Click here and pick white foreground color. Click here and set brush size. Click here. Move this layer to behind subject layer. Add new layer. Click here and choose horizontal type tool. Click here and set font size. Click here for left align text. Text here. Hold Alt plus drag like this. Select text and choose font style. Hold Ctrl and select both text layer. Press Ctrl plus E for merge layer. Right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl plus T. Right click here and choose Perspective. Follow the process. Make it duplicate and arrange to front. Click here and decrease to 0 fill. Click here and choose stroke. Follow these settings. Select Type tool. Set mid-align text. Click and drag here like this. Click here and choose gradient color. Follow the process. Hold Shift and drag like this. Click here and choose like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates.